In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Ubersuggest to uncover popular content ideas and gain deeper insights into your niche. First, you'll want to open up Ubersuggest. Once there, look to the left-hand side of the interface, where you'll find various management tools and resources. Among these options, you should see the Content Ideas section in the menu. This is your go-to spot on the platform for uncovering content-related data and inspiration. Select this option, and you'll be prompted to input details for the next phase of your exploration. Here is where you use the power of keywords. Think about your niche and identify a keyword that is central or relevant to the type of content you're interested in. This keyword is your way to communicate with Ubersuggest about what you want to dig into. Once you've entered your chosen keyword, look for the search button, often conveniently located next to the input field, and give it a click. With that action, you're set to unlock a wealth of information. In a matter of moments, Ubersuggest processes your request and returns with a detailed list of popular articles. Each article in this list is ranked based on significant metrics such as social shares, backlinks, and estimated visits. These metrics are crucial because they provide concrete data about how content is performing and resonating with audiences. If you're curious about which articles have the largest impact, pay close attention to these rankings. The articles with the highest scores are those that have captured considerable attention and engagement. Once you've identified an article of interest, you can dive even deeper. One valuable way to do this is by investigating the keywords that article ranks for. To access this information, look specifically under the Estimated Visits column and click on the section labeled Keywords. This feature reveals which search terms are driving traffic to the article. Understanding these can be a terrific way to refine your strategy, discover new keyword opportunities, and see what's working under the surface. In addition to that, if backlinks are part of your focus, you'll want to explore who else is linking to this piece of content. Backlinks are essential for search engine optimization as they signal to search engines that other sites find this content valuable enough to share. To see a list of these referring links, go to the Backlinks section and click on Links. This will give you insight into who is supporting the content through backlinks, an advantage that can be harnessed for your outreach and content planning strategies. I hope this exploration of Ubersuggest helps you effectively analyze and harness popular content ideas in your niche. Remember, this process is all about gleaning insights and learning from existing content trends to inform your own strategies and ideas. Thanks for watching, and happy content creating!